Are you traveling soon? Don't worry today. We'll teach you how to speak English at the hotel, step by step. From check-in to check-out, you'll sound confident and natural.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Practice. It's Emma here.
And Jack, great to have you with us again. Today we're checking into a brand new lesson, literally, because we're going to the hotel.
Oh yes, one of my favorite places when traveling. A good hotel can make your trip feel relaxing and exciting at the same time.
Exactly, but it can also feel stressful when you're standing at the front desk, tired from travel, and need to speak English confidently.
That's right. Today we'll walk through everything, from check-in to check-out, and even ordering room service, all in clear, natural English.
So grab your virtual suitcase, everyone. Let's check in.
It's late afternoon. You arrive at the hotel lobby, warm lights, quiet music, the smell of fresh coffee. You walk up to the front desk, smile, and say, "Good afternoon. I have a reservation under Emma Green."
That's the perfect start. Short, polite, and clear. If you don't have a booking yet, you can say, "Do you have any rooms available tonight?"
The receptionist might reply, "Welcome. May I see your ID or passport, please?" This phrase, "may I see," is super polite. It's used everywhere. Shops, airports, hotels.
Exactly. And you can answer, "Sure, here you go." Or, "Of course, here it is." Small, polite responses make you sound natural.
Then the staff might ask, "How many nights will you be staying?" You can reply, "I'll be staying for 3 nights."
Or if you're not sure yet, you can say, "I'm not sure yet, maybe 2 or 3 nights."
Next, you might hear, "Would you like a single or a double room?" A single room has 1 bed, a double room has 2.
And if you want something fancy, say, "Do you have any rooms with a balcony?" Or, "Is breakfast included?"
Good one. Breakfast included is important. Once the receptionist finishes the paperwork, they'll say, "Please fill out this form." It means you need to write your name, address, and signature.
After that, you'll get your room key or key card. The staff might say, "Your room number is 304. The elevator is on your left."
And you can reply, "Thank you very much," or "Thanks. Could you tell me the Wi-Fi password, please?"
That's an everyday phrase, "Could you tell me?" Very polite and friendly.
You walk into your hotel room, soft lights, comfy bed, maybe a view of the city. Before relaxing, you might need to check a few things.
Like the air conditioner. You can call the front desk and say, "Hello, this is room 304. The air conditioner isn't working."
Or, "Could you please send someone to check it?" Polite and clear.
If you need something extra, you can say, "Could I have an extra towel, please?" Or, "Can you bring another pillow?"
Those phrases are super useful. You can also ask, "What time is breakfast?" Usually they'll say something like, "Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Don't forget this phrase, "Where is the fitness center?" Or, "Do you have a swimming pool?" Hotels often have nice facilities. It's good practice to ask about them in English.
Ordering room service. Now let's imagine it's evening and you're tired after a long day. You pick up the phone and order food.
Here's how that conversation sounds. Guest, "Hello, this is room 304. Can I order dinner, please?" Staff, "Of course. What would you like to have?" Guest, "I'd like a vegetable pasta and a bottle of water, please." Staff, "Certainly. It will be delivered in 20 minutes. Guest, "Thank you so much."
That's perfect, simple English. Notice the pattern, "Can I?" "I'd like," "Please," "Thank you." These are polite, golden words.
Yes, and if you have a question about the menu, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" Or, "Is there a vegetarian option?"
I love that. And when your food arrives, you can say, "Thank you. Everything looks great."
Nice and polite. And don't forget to say, "Have a good evening" to the staff.
Asking for help. Sometimes you might face small issues in your room. Maybe the TV doesn't work or the bathroom light is off.
You can call reception and say, "Excuse me, there's a problem with the TV." Or, "The light in the bathroom isn't working."
If you need someone to clean your room, say, Could you please send housekeeping? Housekeeping means the cleaning staff.
And if you don't want anyone to enter, just hang the "Do Not Disturb" sign on your door.
Oh yes, that's an important word. Disturb. It means interrupt or bother someone.
Checking out.
All right, it's your last morning. Time to check out. You go to the front desk and say, "Good morning. I'd like to check out, please."
The staff might say, "Sure, may I have your room number?" Then they'll check your bill and say, "Did you take anything from the minibar?"
That's the small fridge with snacks and drinks inside your room. If you didn't take anything, just say, "No, nothing from the minibar."
If you want to leave your luggage for a while, say, "Could I leave my bags here for a few hours?"
And when everything's done, they might say, "Here's your receipt. Thank you for staying with us." You can reply, "Thank you, I had a lovely stay," or "Everything was great. I'll come again."
Small talk at the hotel.
Sometimes hotel staff or guests might chat with you casually. Here are a few small talk phrases.
Where are you visiting from? How do you like the city so far? Is this your first time here?
And you can answer with short, friendly sentences. "I'm from Brazil. It's my first time here. I really love it. It's such a beautiful place."
You don't need long answers. Just smile and respond warmly. That's what makes you sound confident and kind.
Vocabulary Spotlight. Let's look at today's keywords before we wrap up.
1. Reservation. A booking for a room or seat. Example, I have a reservation for 2 nights.
2. Reception. The front area where guests check in or ask questions. Example, please call reception if you need help.
3. Housekeeping. The cleaning staff or service. Example, housekeeping will clean your room at 10 a.m.
4. Minibar. The small fridge in your hotel room. Example, the drinks in the minibar are not free.
5. Receipt. A paper showing payment. Example, can I get a receipt, please?
Nice. Just 5 words, but they'll help you sound like a real traveler.
Mindset moment.
Now, before we end, let's talk about something important. The mindset of speaking English.
Yes, many learners feel shy at hotels or when talking to strangers. But remember this, you're not being judged, you're being understood.
Exactly. Communication isn't about perfect grammar. It's about clarity, kindness, and courage.
Every time you say please, thank you, or good morning, you're connecting with another human being.
That's the real beauty of language. It opens doors, literally and emotionally.
So the next time you walk into a hotel, smile, greet the staff, and speak your English proudly.
Because every word you say adds to your confidence. Every small mistake means progress.
And every conversation is one step closer to fluency.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode. How to speak English at the hotel.
We hope this lesson helps you feel calm, confident, and ready for your next trip.
Don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Practice and share this episode with a friend who loves traveling.
Leave a comment below. What's one English phrase you'll use next time you stay at a hotel?
Remember, your English journey is like checking into a new adventure every day, one step at a time, one word at a time. This is Emma.
And Jack from Smart English Practice.
Wishing you confident English and happy travels.
See you next time. Bye for now.